Welcome to Underdog Factory. Let me start off by explaining what it is that I do here and what my end goals are. Now, my day job, if you want to call it that, is to help people grow their YouTube channels and to make more money from the videos that they create. Pretty cool. But I found that there isn't really a serious YouTube marketing coach for gamers. There is a crap ton of misinformation, stuff that's out of date, stuff that's incomplete, or things that are just straight up wrong. And that sucks, because you really can grow your gaming channels and you really can make a living doing something that you actually enjoy, but this information is either taking you down the wrong path where you're never actually going to see any success, or it's going to just put you into a big brick wall that you can't ever overcome. And there really isn't anyone out there who is trying to set that record straight, who's trying to show you guys how things are actually done and who actually knows what they're doing. So, that's where this channel and where my goals come in. Now, I'm a marketer by heart, and so my end goal is to amass a small army of YouTube gamers. That way I can get some really high-end sponsorship deals from game developers, from publishers, gaming computer companies, and like Xbox and PlayStations and all kinds of really cool stuff. And I want to sit around talking about YouTube and video games all day. But in order to reach that goal, I need to start recruiting. I need to find my lieutenants. I need to find my generals. I need gamers that are smart, that are teachable, that are resilient, that are willing to put in all the work needed to actually go in to implement the stuff and to learn these things and actually use it. And in exchange, I'm going to teach you guys how YouTube actually works. I'm going to teach you how to make 10 times more money than you would with just AdSense. And I'm going to help you to grow your channel so that we can see that this stuff actually works. Now, that being said, this requires work. It requires planning. It requires dedication. And it requires that you actually learn how these systems work, and it requires that you learn how to play this video game, right? And if that's not you, that's cool. You know, no hard feelings. Enjoy all the free training I have here on the channel. But if that is you, if you really want to grow, if you really want to go full-time on YouTube, then you need to go join my Discord. You need to go there and you need to ask questions, and you need to work with the other underdogs, and you need to take advantage of everything that I'm trying to give you. So if that's you, if that's what you're looking for, I'll see you in Discord.